Hello, I'm Sarah from Poder. Today we're going to practice pronouncing words with the ST combination. When you see the letters S and T together, the sound they make is st, st. It can be hard for non-native speakers to make this sound because it's two consonants together. So to practice, it's easier to pronounce each sound separately and then slowly bring them together. St, 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 st. It's common to want to add a vowel before the st sound when it's at the beginning of a word, like a stove or a study. To avoid this, you can start by just pronouncing the s sound at the beginning of the word, and then you can add the rest of the word, like stove, study, steak. Try this tongue twister for some practice. I need to start studying. I need to start studying. I need to start studying this stuff. I need to start studying this stuff. Nice job. Keep practicing and you'll keep getting better. That's it for today. If you liked this video, don't forget to click like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you soon.